Welcome to Quality Branding Hub. The channel is for the quality control engineer, site engineer and the civil engineer who are working in the construction field. In this channel, we are dealing with anything and everything which is required to get success in the construction. Today also I am going to discuss about the very important topics of the construction quality control. Have you ever wondered that why some projects have wonderful quality and wonderful aesthetics, but some other projects it's not? What is the difference? The difference lies in the timeless principle, that is the Juran Trilogy. In today's video I will discuss each and everything about what is Juran Trilogy and how step by step breakdown of the Juran Trilogy and how it is important in our construction and how it will be benefited in the construction. So in today's video we will discuss about the Juran Trilogy. Now, it is developed by Joseph M. Juran, one of the fathers of the modern quality management. So, some peoples we are calling about the quality guru or the quality management guru. So, one of them is David M. Juran, and he is developing a timeless principle that is called the Juran Trilogy. So stay tuned until then to get the full information, and if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you will get immediate notification. So without wasting time, let's jump into the subject, that is the timeless principle is Juran Trilogy and how it will be benefited for the construction quality control. So stay tuned until the end. So what is the Juran Trilogy? Juran Trilogy is the universal framework of quality management. Now it has three processes. So what is the three processes? That is quality planning, quality control and quality improvement. All we are talking about the quality control, or how to deliver the project or how to deliver the work as per the requirement. But these three principles which is required to deliver the product as per the requirement of the client and the consultant, that you have to follow. The first is quality planning, that is quality control and quality improvement. These three principles is developed by the David Juran, and that is why it's called the Juran Trilogy. Now why it is important, or let's take an example. The quality planning is your architectural drawing, so you can compare it with the planning, and quality control is construction and supervision, making sure everything is in the plan, and that so this become the quality planning. And the quality improvement, finding better ways. So whatever you are doing, audit that one and find out if there is any deficiency, so apply in the process, so it will be that redefine the process. So that called the quality improvement. Later is deployed by the continual improvement or the PDCA cycle, that is developed by another quality management guru, that is Edward Deming. So if you want to know about this continuous improvement or the PDCA cycle, I have made a detailed video, link is there or in the description. Please check, you will get the full information. So Juran Trilogy basically lies on the three pillars: quality planning, quality control and quality continuous improvement or the quality improvement. So what is quality planning? The quality planning is that if you have any projects, now if you want to deliver that project as per the requirement, you need to do the plan. How you will do that one? So not only the quality, everything in your life or whatever it is, you need the planning. So same way for whenever it is about the quality, we need the planning. So for quality planning, how you can do the quality planning? If you are not well aware about what you have to deliver, it is not possible for you to do the quality planning. So what you need to do? First you need to do the understanding client expectation. That means what client is expecting. Suppose you are making a building, so what will be the client requirement? What will be the building size? What will the building height? What will be the frames, concrete grade? What will the brickwork? What is the plaster thickness? What will be the finishing item? That each and everything you need to know before doing any quality planning. So first things you need to know for the quality planning, that is understanding the client expectations. Then this translating those needs into the project specification. Now you already well aware what you need to do or what you need to deliver, that you become is your project specification. So now you have to turn this one into a project specification and you have to make the planning. So suppose I'm just giving an example, small example. Suppose you need to do the concrete for the M grade 50 grade. Now for that, what you need to plan, what will be the raw material, what will be the RMC supplier, what will be the transportation time, what will be the admixture doses, what will be the cement doses, that each and everything is coming under the quality planning. But how we can plan this one? Only when you know what is the client expectation. Then selecting materials, suppliers and method to ensure those requirements are met. Now you have already done the project specification, already knows what is client expectation. Now you need to know the what is the material, what is the supplier, what is the people you need to do, what is the process you need to follow. That all you need to be in place, incorporated into the one place. That becomes the quality planning. Then establishing the test plan, inspection checklist and approval procedure, that also will become under the quality planning. Suppose if I want to take an example, what example I can take? Your construction RCC building, during the planning phase, you define the target concrete stain, curing method, testing frequency based on IS 456 or any other method, whatever you are following, that you have to be in place. You need to do the planning for that. That's called the quality planning. The second pillar of the Juran Trilogy is coming under quality control. Now what is happened? You have done the planning, you have understand what the client expectation, you have understand make what the specification. Now you have make a huge planning. What is the planning? Everything is in place, that you have to do this one, you have to do this one, you have to use this material, you have to use this technique, use this process. Now the actual process is coming. That means this actual work will be executed at the site. Now the second terminology, that is a quality control, is coming into this place. So now even the best plan needs supervision. Why? If there is no supervision, that means there will be an error and the product non-conformity will be happen. So it's about evaluating the performance and ensuring the process stays on track. So in construction, what is quality control includes the testing materials first, because this raw material is coming, so you need to do the test material. Then inspection work. So whatever the work you are doing at the site, maybe the form work, maybe the reinforcement work, so that you need to the check. And how you do check one? That is why the inspection test plan is coming in the time, is the checklist is coming, risk assessment is coming. So that is all you need to do the work. Then monitoring concrete temperature, this is also another part, and using checklist at every stage in the quality control. If you are not using checklist, that means you are not doing proper quality control or proper check. So it is extremely important that you should use the checklist. So why checklist is important and how to use the checklist, I have made another detailed video, link is there or in the description. Please check, you will get the full information. So what you can use the tools now. It is or everything is digitalized, so you can use the digital tools for the inspection, for the testing, for the material testing, everything. Or you can do the statistical quality control. That is the key for any success, because whenever you are gathering data, you need to do the statistical process control or statistical analysis. From that you can find out where we are lagging behind on what improvement you need, because the next fundamental things will come, that the quality improvement. So how you do the quality improvement? Without data it is not possible. So as a quality control engineer, you need to collect the data whenever it is possible. So you need to do the analysis of the data through the statistical control. So the goal is simple: detect variation only, correct it immediately and prevent rework. So in the quality planning, we have done the planning. Now whenever execution will be done, quality control, we have to inspect, and if you find out any defect, immediately we have to rectify. The third pillar is coming the quality improvement. Quality control we have done, quality control we have to check. Now the part is coming quality improvement. This is the most powerful and often ignored part of the trilogy. Why? Because whenever you have inspected, if any correction is there, you have done and finished. But if you are not implemented these things into the process, the same things will reoccurrence and happens. So that is not our target. Our target is to uh, minimize the error. So, how it could be? Only the quality improvement or the PDCA cycle. Nowadays, you are using the plan, do, check and act. Quality improvement means finding chronic problems and removing the root cause, and what is the root cause you are finding, that you need to incorporate in the system. Suppose we are finding the cracks in the concrete, and whenever we are doing the root cause analysis, we found that it is due to inefficiency of the curing. So, in the next concrete, we need to incorporate the curing in the rigorous inspection, or we have to monitor this one rigorously, so that there will be no cracks due to the curing problem. So, these are the quality improvement. We have the tools, the root cause analysis, fishbone diagram, PDCA cycle, that are all for the quality improvement, and that is called the continuous improvement. So, every time there is a chance for the improvement, there is no upper limit. So, that is why it is called the continual improvement. So, whenever the defect or the efficiency you are finding into the process, that has to incorporate into the process again, and we have to redefine the process, so that whenever it will be done, there will be no error. So, it is our target to minimizing the error from the system or from the process by quality control, quality planning and the quality improvement or the PDCA cycle. What is the less, why it is important? The less work, better durability, cost savings and the increased client trust, because in any business the repeated customer is always welcome. So, that is why you need to deliver the product as per the client requirement, so that they will give you more business to the organization. The organization will be happy. This is the motto. So, what is the benefit of this Juran Trilogy if you are applying in your project? It's systematic quality approach, because the quality control is not the haphazard. It needs a proper planning and the systematic planning, and according to that you need to work on the project. So, that is why it is a systematic quality approach, so that it will everyone projects follows the same procedure, same approach, so that what will happen, the end goal will be achieved. Then reduction in rework and wastage. This is one things that the projects is delayed, project gets over budget because of the poor quality and because of the rework. This is the huge cost in the globally. So, this is our time to find out the root cause, find out the problem and minimize the error into the process, and then improve client satisfaction, that I will already discuss. Then enhance team efficiency. When there is no error, then the team efficiency will increase. If there is error, if there is a blame games that it is problem fault of the site engineer, fault of the quality control engineer, then the productivity will be decreases. But there is no error or the minimize or the minimum error, the productivity will be increased. And it is the continuous improvement culture. It is always saying that the quality control is not a tool, it is a culture. So, it should be developed or it should be nurtured throughout the organization from top to bottom. So, this Juran Trilogy also helped to develop the quality culture into the organization. So, how you can apply Trilogy at the site? That is the plan quality, implement control, analyze uses and improve continuously. So, how you can plan this as per ISO, as per project specification, I will discuss. So, these are all about the Juran Trilogy, which is the fundamental things for the quality control into the projects or throughout the industry, and we can use it in our projects and we will be benefited. And I hope you find it useful, and if you find it useful, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video you will get immediate notification. And I am waiting for your valuable comments, so that from your valuable comment everybody will be benefited. And if you want to know anything more about quality control and construction, please let me know. I will come with more content like this. And thank you once again for watching.